I'm now going to start some of the making put a bit of detail into it. So I've taken this, which is called Flintstone paint, and this is called Supernova, and I've roughly mixed some in there, so it's not actually mixed up, it's just they're there together, and then I can dab that on to the walls. Now let's keep dabbing it on. I can come back after this is dried and mark the actual stones in. Now I'm going to do a little bit of dry brushing over the top of what I've got there. Let's try it with different colours. It's not very dry, that one, but let's spread out. Meanwhile, the civil engineers have moved in, ready to start the excavation of the channel. Right, now that that paint's dry, I can go along and start marking on the stonework, random stones, and just keep building it up. There would have been quite large pieces of stone on the wharf, and that's what I'm trying to imitate here. So I shall carry on with that. Meanwhile, the excavators have made a start here. The fence is down, the sign's gone, and they're going to start digging. I've now given the basin one coat of varnish, and while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'd like to thank everybody who has watched and made comments. In particular, George Wyatt, who suggested I could make that handle there in a plaque in memory of the fisherman. So I've done that, and I put a launching ramp there, and of course I can't have any, there's no mooring between there and the ramp, or slipway, that's the word I'm looking for, isn't it? So while I'm waiting for that to dry, I'll go and get on with something else, and see you all later. Oh, the civil engineering crowd are cracking on. Tracks up, lines are in. I'm starting to dig. Right, so that's the hole opened up. Now I'm going to have to remove this piece. But first I'm going to have to move some of this wiring and put a piece across the bottom there, across here, and then remove this top piece. So let's see how we get on with that. It's okay, buddy boy, you can stop digging now, that's deep enough. Well, because I can't get in the hole to cut this the other way around, I'm having to cut it backwards. My father, who was a cabinet maker, would probably cut a pit. But sorry Dad, it's the only way I can do it. Yeah, my father was 110 this year. Unfortunately, he died when he was 70. But then, there we are. He taught me a lot, even how to saw upside down. Well, I've cut my way through, but in spite of that, having moved all the wires, I thought I'd moved them all. I've got one there to repair. So I'll have to get onto that afterwards. Oh, this is my bridging piece. I've pre-drilled 4 holes and put screws in ready, and now I've got to get down underneath there to screw that upwards to bridge this gap here, so the seabed can go over the top. For an old man, this is not the easiest of tasks, I can tell you. But never mind, it has to be done. It has to be done. Well, let's get mine there. If I can stand up now, that's always the job. Because I have a lot of difficulty standing up after a thing like that. I know. That's it. Done it. There's the garage door out there, and the other day I read an article which said that old people shouldn't buy bungalows because they don't get the exercise they need. Well, on that basis, I think I should last quite a long time, because the number of times that I walk up and down that flight of stairs and then this flight of stairs, and it says that you're good, it's good to walk up and down stairs. So there I am, up and down stairs and into the loft where the layout is. And I do that several times, many times a day. And now I'm going to put the base in this hole here. And I like using scrap wood, so there's a piece that I cut out. I'll turn it over and put it in there. And that is now what we have. So I've just got to let that glue dry and then get it painted. Now I did say that I would have to realign the tracks, but I think I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to have a funny shaped bridge, and I've seen some funny shaped bridges in my life, and this is going to be another one. Well, this bridge is in a place called Leeuwarden in the Netherlands, and I've been under it many times with my boat Norcella, and in the next video I will be showing you how I attempt to reconstruct a mini Norcella, my lovely boat. I really loved it and I really miss it.